So hold up, bad blood, there's about to be a massacre. So hold up, blood on the floor, blood on the speakers, fist pump, pump, pumping bad blood through the speakers.
Today's video will be shooting a washer with this AR, and we're gonna be blowing it up with some Tannerite. I hope you enjoy the video. That ass!
Damn! Where's the rest of the dryer? Or the washer?
Right there. This is not the one we blew up. We blew up one that was right here.
This is a dryer that was already here.
Yeah. This is what's left over of your, what's left of your washer right here. There's a piece right there. All the way up on the sill here. And there's one. I guess, well, this is the outer skin of it. Oh, shoot.
Good night.
That blew all the way from over there.
It's heavy enough. Oh, damn. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Tell him his wife's not going to be able to use it anymore.
Some biscuits. We had one piece that came, that flew about 75 yards towards us. And I guess that's where all the water went out. There's a bunch of water.
And that was a completely good pallet.
Yep.